there's a related kind of a problem on the same worksheet, which is a percentile problem. And I say it's related because if you remember on the box plots, this is 0%, my lowest number, and this is 100%, all of the numbers. The median is 50%. Q3 would be 75%, remember I'm dividing this into quarters, and Q1 would represent 25% of the data. And you've probably taken standardized tests and they say you're in the such and such percentile. Well, so somebody that is in the 80th percentile, for example, well, I'm not exactly sure where they'd be, but they would be somewhere around here on the box plot. So we have a problem here. Stefan received his score for the college readiness exam. His score placed him in the 80th percentile rank. There were 850 test takers. How many scored lower than Stefan? So when I'm looking at any kind of a word problem like this, the first thing I want to do is I want to kind of scan it quickly and find out what is the real question that they're asking. So the question that they're asking is, how many scored lower than Stefan? And by identifying the question, I can then kind of zoom in on what information is going to be important and what information is going to be extraneous or not that important that they're just thrown in to confuse me. Well, if I'm going to draw like a little graph here, and if here is 0% and here is 100%, and Stefan is right here at the 80th percentile, they want to know, well, how many people are in here? Well, 80% of the people are in that spot, in that range of numbers right there. So I can just take the 850 people and multiply that by 80%. And that tells me that 650 people fill in this 80%. So 650 people are scored worse than Stefan did in this exam.